Hey everyone, welcome to Text Review. Do you know what Google Gemini AI is? Google Gemini AI is a revolutionary new technology that promises to reshape how we interact with digital world. Imagine a machine that can understand and process information like human brain, but on a much larger scale. That's essentially what Google Gemini AI is. It's a large language model, LLM, trained on massive dataset of text, code, images, audio, and video. This allows it to learn and understand the world in a way that's far more comprehensive than previous AI models. How does it work? Gemini can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, relationships, and connections. This allows it to perform various tasks, including answering questions in an informative and comprehensive way. Gemini can access and analyze a vast amount of information to provide the most accurate and insightful response. Generating different creative text formats. From poems and scripts to code and musical pieces, Gemini can unleash its creativity to generate content based on specifications. Breaking down language barriers is effortless for Gemini. It can translate between different languages with remarkable accuracy, fostering communication and understanding across cultures. Understanding and manipulating different data types. What makes it different? Several features set Gemini apart from other large language models. Here are a few key distinctions. Multimodal understanding. Unlike other LLMs primarily focused on text, Gemini can understand and combine different data types, leading to a richer and more nuanced understanding of world. General purpose nature. Gemini isn't limited to specific tasks. It's designed to be versatile and adaptable, making it suitable for various applications and scenarios. Open source nature. Google has open-sourced parts of Gemini, allowing researchers and developers to further explore its capabilities and contribute to development. Potential applications of Gemini AI are vast and far-reaching. Here are a few examples. Personalized education. Imagine a learning system that adapts to each student's individual needs and learning style. Gemini could create personalized learning experiences that cater to individual strengths and weaknesses. Advanced research. From medical breakthroughs to climate change solutions, Gemini could analyze massive amounts of data to accelerate research and discovery in various fields. Enhanced productivity. Imagine tools that automate tasks, generate reports, and summarize information instantly. Gemini could transform the way we work, making us more efficient and productive. Improved accessibility. Gemini can help bridge gap for people with disabilities by providing tools for communication, navigation, assistance.